to off-page SEO or link building, it's a method of, it's hyperlink from other website to your website. Link building is a technique of building those backlinks to your website. So these backlinks acts like oats or recommendations. Coming to the major aspect of off-page SEO, now we'll be understanding. Next one is called as types of backlinks, types of links or backlinks. So when we talk about types of backlinks, there are only two types of backlinks. One is called as follow backlinks, and one is called as no follow backlinks. Follow and no follow. In terms of SEO, you have to be always rooting for follow backlinks. Okay, there is no point of building no follow backlinks. Now, say for example, there is a website A, not a web page. There's a website A. There is a website B. Okay, there is a link given in website B. Whenever they click, they come to A, they get traffic, and also they are getting pay authority and domain authority, which means they are helping to improve the website authority. I'll tell you, we'll get more ideas, just understand the concept, guys. So similarly, there is a website A here, there is a website B here. There is a link given. If they click, they go to A, but there is no increase in pay authority and domain authority. Usually public websites, like usually social networks, don't give you follow, like social networks like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, any of the social networking sites are all those. If I share more links, does it consider as links? No, because those are not considered as links actually, because those are no follow links. Now, even you consider your public directory websites like Wikipedia, public information website like Wikipedia, or any forum, most of them will give you no follow backlinks. So there is no point of building this type of backlinks. So by default, if they don't mention a backlink, it's called as a follow backlink, or else all of them will be considered no follow. So to give an example, guys, let me just go to a website. Say for example, let me just quickly log into this in the meantime. So here, let me take an example of Myntra. Okay, so Myntra, Wikipedia. Let me take an example here. Now I'll click on this link. Now you see here, there is a link here. Can you see here? There's a link here. If I click on this link, what happens? I go to Myntra website, of course. So if you see here, let me right click on this. I click on inspect. Okay. So I click on inspect. Let me make it back to desktop again. So I'll click on this link, Myntra. Now I'll click on this arrow mark and click on this link. And can you see it says what? RL is equal to no follow, which means Wikipedia is giving a backlink, but it's not recommending. So search engine bots will not follow this link. So technically it doesn't pass any link authority or link value. So these type of backlinks gets traffic, will get traffic, but doesn't help you to rank higher on any search or rank on search engine. So there is no point of building. If it's good to build, you may get traffic, but this type of links doesn't add absolutely no value in terms of SEO. Okay. So rather than right clicking on every single time, all you can do is click on SEO quick. Click on SEO quick, highlight this option, SEO quick. So make sure click on the settings icon, and there's an option here by default will not be tick. Tick this option, highlight no follow. Now can you see here? If I tick highlight no follow, there's a line coming. If I untick that, the line will disappear. Can you see this? So this is a tool to check is a backlink follow or no follow. If you check for like even Quora and all of them will make sure you see this line, which means they are giving you no follow. So does for Twitter, so does for Facebook. Okay, so there is no point of building backlinks like this, but by default, unless you specify it, it's by default follow only, unless and until you say it's a no follow. Okay, so that is aspect of follow and no follow backlinks. If you are trying to rank your website on higher position, it helps you to improve your SEO position. You should be trying to build follow backlinks. I'll teach how to do that, don't worry. Whereas public page, if a backlink is easy to get, if a website is more of a easy to get, and just like that you get a backlink, most of them will be a no follow backlinks. So it's easy to go to Quora and write an answer and get a backlink. Those backlinks doesn't add any value to your SEO, whereas do follow backlinks will definitely add a lot of value, but less number of backlinks, also quality backlinks will have a lot of impact. So this is the difference between follow and no follow backlinks. Any questions?
No.
Now, say, let me take a few more examples. There's a link here. Can I see visit site? This is a do follow backlink. It doesn't see a line. Can I see here? I've turned on SEO quick. I have highlighted no follow. This is a follow backlink. Now, it doesn't matter. Don't worry about follow and no follow. As of now, follow makes more impact than no follow. No follow has no impact actually. Okay. The goal, the end result should be to always be building more quality do follow or follow backlinks. Okay. So this is aspect of follow and no follow. So let me come back. Now the goal is to be always targeting link opportunities that is from follow backlinks. There's no point of going after no follow, completely waste of time.